tell you a secret. Most credit repair companies are not worth the money that you spend for them. See, most credit repair companies charge you a monthly fee for them to help you. So why would they have any incentive to fix your credit and get their income to be reduced? So I recommend working with a reputable credit repair agency that only gets paid with results. When they do what they say and get those items resolved on your credit report and your score goes up, then they get paid. That's how I like to work. I do my job and then I get paid. Just like you. You go work 40 hours for 2 weeks and then you get paid. You got to put in the effort to get your money. And I believe that's how credit repair should work. So if you are thinking about getting a credit repair agency to help with some items on your credit, please reach out to me first. Let me set you up with somebody that I trust and know is going to take care of you in order to fix your credit so I can make you a homeowner today.